In every interior, we seek more than just form or color. We seek the feeling of home, warmth, comfort, and harmony. We believe that furniture is a story told through space. That is why we create tables that become the centerpiece, where people gather, where ideas are born, and where a lifestyle takes shape. Our pieces unite technology with inspiration. HPL on MDF, tabletops in compact laminate, bases crafted from wood and metal. We collaborate with leading global manufacturers, Egger and ARPA, to ensure every table is a true expression of contemporary design. And yet, we never stop at the standard. Each table is individual, tailored to the designer's vision, personalized for a specific space. What makes us truly unique is our testing. Our tabletops withstand iodine, modeling clay, even fire. We challenge them in real conditions to guarantee proven quality that never fails. To us, a table is where dialogue begins, where people meet, where design comes to life. We create a platform for designers to bring their boldest ideas into reality. StarWood stands for quality, backed by testing, individuality in every detail, and partnerships that inspire. We are shaping a space where Ukrainian design speaks clearly, confidently, and with strength.